ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan rashapi ta ka Frank Motors kamon ban long slur ringkat bat kaman ba shongkhia ka shong ha ka jinglong scam bat jingjet bastard jongi ka Tata Harrier ka kali ka ban san ya ka lintia jongpi kala ban long ka jongpi minta book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors lat korngi leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khndai hinyo lai
ka showroom JN Suzuki ha ka khan real trek unok pra araja pulai kala rakhe ya ka Christmas da bapelong ya ka jingya Christmas carol kabala sedang na showroom kabadan ha ka snong maublai bat ya ling ba ka snong lai khra khandai lat pulu maulai bat penkut biang hadu ha maublai ha kini ka jingya carol da ki thok thok arsaka lai shimentalang da ki Nongtrei Jong ka showroom JN Suzuki bat kumju ru ki customer lem badu RJ Zak Nakarat FM.
Suzuki. I am the Compresti and Badin, whom we call him as Mama. They have put all the efforts on making this happen, this rally, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, they couldn't be here. But I will bring them, especially Compresti, words through WhatsApp. And they are the two wheels of J.D. Suzuki who have driven the ship for the last 4 years. We are running the 5th year, and it has been successful because of the hard work and the effort. We'll enjoy this ride. We'll start from here, and we'll have different stoppages where we'll brief you about it, and we'll have a good time.
On behalf of J.D. Suzuki, we welcome you to this gathering, and it's Christmas caroling. And we hope that this Christmas will bring us joy, and especially will bring us closer to the Suzuki family. And we welcome each and every one of you.
I would like to emphasize on the schemes. We have a cashback offer from 5,000 up to 7,000. All right. We have an exchange bonus of 12,000 up to 15,000 for bikes, for motorcycles, and we also have a free extended warranty up to 10 years worth 2,999. And I believe that we are the only dealer or the brand that's giving you a 10 years warranty. And also we are giving you a roadside assistance for the whole year 24/7. If you purchase the Suzuki two-wheelers, you will be covered anywhere 50 kilometers from any dealership, anywhere, any part of India. If you have any problem, you could give a call and you'll get an assistance, roadside assistance, that absolutely free of cost. We also support you with a loan up to 100% with the lowest EMI, and also we give you free helmet and accessories. And we also have a referral program running wherein we give you up to 4,500 points, which is equivalent to 4,500 rupees, wherein you refer your friends, your friend will buy, and you will be rewarded. We also in this referral program, we give you 50%, up to 50% discount on parts and accessories. We request you and we invite you to join our Suzuki family, and you can enjoy all these offers that have been extended to you for this Christmas. So wish you once again a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Over to you, Zach.
What is that one thing that you love about Suzuki? Give me that one thing that you love about Suzuki. Reliability. What's your name? Sandeep. Sandeep, yes. What is that one thing that you love? Reliability, power, and the torque. Okay, reliability, power, and the torque. This one's you. Yeah.